Welcome to 75 Peter Street. This prestigious street is in the heart of Markham Village. This is the best location for walking to Main Street restaurants, shops, and to-go train stations. There are great schools and community centers nearby, and this luxury custom home is 3330 square feet. Outside, it's been professionally landscaped. You can see on the front here, we have natural stone steps, and I'm going to show you the backyard as well. Come inside and take a look. This home has a sophisticated design and is luxuriously finished throughout. This large kitchen is perfect for entertaining with this island. It's also open to the family room with gas fireplace, a large breakfast area. This home has a formal living, dining room, and a main floor office. Upstairs, there are 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. Enjoy the tour. Imagine this backyard in the summer. What a perfect place to entertain your family and friends with a saltwater pool, this beautiful stone patio, which you can fit a conversation lounge and also a nice dining room table. It is private and fenced, and there's beautiful landscaping and in-ground sprinkler systems.